Hi guys, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment channel. King Patrick finally apologizes over leaked tape claiming Davido poisoned him. Wow, this guy is not just ready to relax a bit. We all remember King Patrick, the former manager of Peruzzi. Uh, he accused Davido of stealing his artist, Peruzzi, without the proper um, thing done. Like there was no documentation in the whole process, and that up to date, Peruzzi and Davido are still owing him, claiming that most of his hit songs like Risky, Fear, and some others are owned by Peruzzi and were recorded while Peruzzi was in his label. So he came out seeking royalty for that, and also going forth to tell us how he all started managing Peruzzi, what he did for Peruzzi, and what he expected in return. You understand? So since Davido and Peruzzi were not giving him the listening ear, so he decided to dig up, bring back old stories about them, and tell us so many things we never knew about them. Like he accused Peruzzi of having an affair with Chioma, claiming Chioma and Peruzzi are not cousins, they were lovers, they were dating, and that Davido is with Peruzzi's babe. You understand? As Chioma is Peruzzi's babe, and the son she recently gave birth to might not even be his and all that. So today he claimed Davido poisoned him in a video that was leaked online. Artist manager King Patrick has made a U-turn regarding his recent audio tape that was leaked, where he furthered his allegations against Davido and Peruzzi, disclosing that Davido tried to poison him. The audio made rounds on social media less than 24 hours ago, and it complicated the drama, which already has exposed dirty secrets about Davido, Peruzzi, and Chioma. But King Patrick made a shocking turn as his tweet of apology popped up on our Twitter timeline. In the tweet, he tendered his apology to everyone affected by the tape. According to him, he didn't intend to grant the interview and wasn't aware the tape would be leaked. Regarding the recorded phone call that was made on the 20th, I refuse to grant them an interview and shouldn't have been published. This is just the media trying to blow things out of proportion. Apologies to relevant parties and we all move on. He apologized for the poisoning accusation made against Davido and Peruzzi. Yeah, so I hope this is going to be the end of this end of this um accusations and Choma Peruzzi level. And there were even reports on Davido and Choma Davido and Choma saying they won't be getting married again, saying they are no longer in talking terms and all that. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening, but I know for sure Davido loves Choma, and I know all these things are coming up to bring issues between them. Peruzzi recently said nothing could ever break his relationship with Davido, and recently bought a mansion. Yeah, Peruzzi got a nice mansion, a beautiful mansion somewhere in Lagos. So I think everything is working well for them, and I pray and sincerely hope Davido and Chioma get married in this year 2020. Yeah. So guys, I don't know what you think. or we could discuss it in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.